the pig, Yoruba, we say Yoruba, that the pig will get to the slaughter, but there will be a lot of noise. Live with the noise. Thank you very much.
During the last visit of the President of Nigeria to Enugu, he gave a very great speech. And as he was ending the speech, he made this comment. Let's watch.
The pig, Yoruba, we say Yoruba, that the pig will get to the slaughter, but there will be a lot of noise. Live with the noise. Thank you very much.
Now, did you hear what he said? He said there's a Yoruba adage, a parable, that says that the pig will get to the slaughter, but there will be a lot of noise. Yes, there will be noise, but the pig will get to the slaughter. When I heard that, I asked myself questions. Did you hear what the Nigerian president said? What does he mean by that? Now, if a leader of a people talks to the people in parables, you either take time to listen and interpret that parable, or you can continue going the way you are going. I listened to him and I began to interpret or try to interpret the parable to me personally. And what I could deduce from that comment or that speech is that if you are considered to be a pig, literally speaking, and your shepherd or the one leading the sheep, the pig, says this pig is going to the slaughter, not going to the pigsty where it can be fed and kept, but to the slaughter. The crying of the pig, or the crying of all the pigs, or the crying of the people who may love that pig, will not change the destination of the pig. This pig will get to the slaughter, and the crying and the noise making will change nothing. Now, leaders can build hope. Leaders can build hopelessness. Whatever is said is important, because out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. There's no casual word anywhere. Whether a parable, Christ taught in parables, and every parable Christ used had a meaning. Now, as a preacher, we interpret parables because we want to get the latent hidden meanings that those parables are meant to communicate to us. And hearing the Nigerian president say that the pig will get to the slaughter, but there will be a lot of noise. Yes, there will be noise, but the pig will get to the slaughter. I came to conclude that no matter you are crying, you are making a noise if you are that pig destined for the slaughter. No matter how much of noise Nigerians make, if you are doomed to get to the slaughter, you will get there. Your noise making will change nothing. If the pig is destined to hit or to get to the slaughter, the noise making of the pig or the noise making of the people or their crying for whatever reason will change nothing. Now, if the cry or the noise of the noisemakers of the pig will not stop the pig from getting the slaughter, why must you keep crying? Everybody in Nigeria, everywhere people are crying because of high cost of living. Power is so high. Band A, band B, band C, to any band. Taxation very high. Cost of foodstuff very high. Cost of transportation very high. Cost of fuel very high. Cost of taking care of your children's school fees, very high. If you are doomed for the slaughter, your crying because of hardship will not change your destination. Now, if that is a fact, from the mouth of the ruler of the people, must you continue to cry? Coppers are crying. There's recently a girl who is lamenting and crying because of hardship. Well, I have good news for you. Please stop crying. Your cry will not change nothing. You are doomed for the slaughter. And your noise making will not stop you from getting to the slaughter. There's only one way to stop it. You must make up your mind, I will not be slaughtered. Leaders have led people in the past. Moses brought Israel out of Egypt and they were on their way to the promised land. He told them, you are headed for the land that flows with milk and honey, building hope. What you are going through in this wilderness is nothing, because you are going to enter and live in houses you didn't build. You are going to drink from wells you never dug. You are going to live and enjoy every kind of good things once you enter. So endure, because you are going somewhere. That's a leader. Now, if you have a leader who tells you the pig, not the sheep, the pig will hit the slaughter, and your noise making will change nothing. Your noise making, your crying will not make you not to get to the slaughterhouse and be slaughtered. Boy, girl, please hear me, stop crying. It's time for you to wake up and know that unless you say, well, I won't die, I won't get to the slaughter, you are going to end up there. Me, I won't get to the slaughter. There's nobody that can kill me, nobody. No crying, wipe your tears, I beg you, wipe your tears. I beg, wipe your tears. If you can hear me, no devil, no man, no woman, no human being born of anyone will get you to the slaughter. Come on now. Leaders lead their people by building their hope, by helping them see that no matter what you are going through, you are going to get to a better place. Time has come when every father, every mother, every child, every person in Nigeria, or everybody everywhere should wake up and know that there are leaders who take pleasure in making sure that people go through pain. And there are leaders who take pleasure in making sure people don't go through pain. I don't know the kind of leader you have. I know the kind of leader I want. That's why I am an ambassador. No human being can make me cry. No human being can take me to the slaughter. No. I have a will. I'm not an animal, not a pig. I have a will. Where I am going to is where I will get to. And no human being born of a woman, no human being born, no human being breathing air can take me to another place. If you are wise here, if you are foolish, to God be the glory for you. But the pig will get to the slaughter. But there will be a lot of noise. Yes, there will be noise. But the pig will get to the slaughter in spite of the noise. Be advised. God bless you.
The pig, Yoruba, we say Yoruba, that the pig will get to the slaughter, but there will be a lot of noise. Live with the noise. Thank you very much.